Well, I'll do the intro.
All right.
You're my first guinea pig. We're using a code name?
No, you can use it. That's fine. Chris is fine.
Welcome back. We're here with Chris, a friend and co-worker, and he's going to try the two tether out and see how it goes, get his feedback on it. Stay tuned. And here, just aiming it.
Yeah, I'll watch out.
So when I'm hooked up, I get the saddle on, I get the tethers on, I move these stirrup hitches up inside the loop, and then I take my first step up. I'll get this in here, and then I want to have enough slack on this upper rope where I can move this up as far as I can step. And then when I go to the other foot, I put my toe in. I'm holding with both hands, and I got this right hand on the lower. Step up. I still got both hands on the tree, and then I move this one up, the left or the lower, as far as it'll go. And then I shift over. I still got both hands here. Like I told you, I'll point this toe out, down, back, and step up. Both hands on. I'll get the tether here and pull these straight up. And I'm standing pretty straight up and down the whole time. Still got me?
Yep.
And I got both on again. There's a weird lump here. It sticks out. I want to go over that so it doesn't pop down. But the smoother these will go up as I step up, the less struggle you got. That's about as far as I can go without going past that limb. So I got my my line for this upper. I'll shorten that up. I'll situate my seat where I want it. And then I can hunt like this.
Jax.
Sometimes I have my backpack, and I'll just attach it to this lower tether, and then I'll have my weapon on, and I'll pull it out and make it ready. And coming down, now I'm not very high, but I got this pull down size to where I can take it and drop it to the ground. And if it touches the ground, I know by measuring before that I can get to the ground with more rappel. So I bring the carabiner end back up. And I'll hook it on here. I actually go under like that, and then I'll take this and drop it. So now I've got to get this stirrup hitch outside of this loop. Once it's outside the loop, I can rappel on that and the saddle hitch, and then this one, the left one, I can just bring it down with me as I go. Sticky a little. More sticky than when I started. But I have this one. I can pull this. Pull this one outside here like that. And the reason is, let's say it was too high to rappel in one shot. Say it's too high to rappel in one shot, or because I wanted to use even shorter rope. Like I could take 5 feet out of this, no problem. So now, all I got to do is get my weight on this lower one. So I keep coming down with this. Since this stirrup line's short, I got to get my foot out of it. But I'll come down until my weight's on this one. And I'll pull this down. Maybe. Pull this down and move my pull down to here now, so I can pull that one down later. And I open this this stirrup, take it off the tree, and let it drop. Let it drop to the ground, and I can rappel from this other one now. So that's how I would do it if I got really high, or I wanted to have a shorter rope, and then I would pull this one down, and then everything stays right here. Like I said, if I hunt in spots where down by the river where there's a lot of rose bushes and they're tall, and I gotta crawl in here, I don't want all this stuck in the bushes.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Wrap it like that. Put a loop of this through the middle. Hook this carabiner on that loop, and then on one of these loops, put that on here. One of these is already off, so I'll slide that all the way up to the covering here. Like if I was hunting, I'd have my weapon on my back and my pack and my and that platform if I was using a platform. So I'll put this in here. And then I'll go over my shoulder. And take this other one off. See, pull it open. Slide the stirrup up. To the covering. Put that on. I'll shorten these back to where they go. Really tightening. If I want this, one up out of the way, I'll move it up. With the slack on, and that's it. Knock out.
Good stuff.